Hey there, DIY coders. Welcome to HTML Quickie, where we throw you very heavy HTML information ever so gently. Before we get started, there will be a link down in the description below for you to check out if you're a beginner at HTML or you have absolutely no clue what the heck it is. I do recommend that you check out that video for you to get started with HTML, but if you're all good, we'll go ahead and start this video. Now, before we can get started learning, I need you to prepare some things. So let's have your text editor out, your web browser out, and have both those applications open to the file we'll be working on. And let's have your text editor prepared with this highlighted code I have here. So if you need to, go ahead and pause the video. But if you're all good, we'll go ahead and learn both these two tags. And it's quite the special today. It's two tags. So it's going to be the details tag. All right, like so. Okay, and then we'll be learning the summary tag as well. Summary. All right, so initially this won't do much. We'll save first and I'll show you what it does right now from this point. And to refresh the browser, there will be a button on the top of your web browser window. Mine doesn't have it because I set it that way. You can also use the shortcut key to refresh your browser. And now you'll see that we have this triangle that has appeared in the web page we have here. So if we click it, it will turn, as you can see. All right, so let me just put in some more code here, some more content, so that you'll see what it does, what these two tags do. So let's say this is we put in some text here, save and refresh. All right, so you'll notice this starts to look like a label now, labeled with the word text. So and when we click here, the triangle turns, and if we even click here, far away to the right of the label here, the triangle still turns. But if we click, like, say, below it, it will not affect that triangle. All right, so now we know how we sort of interact with this part of this web page. Let me just add in some more content here in between the details tags. So let's say we add a p tag here, right? And let's say we just say this is some hidden text until you click this, until you have clicked this item on page. Okay, we'll save. Okay, and then we'll refresh the browser. Okay, so still looks the same once we click this particular thing on the web page, so which is the details, what we call an element here. This would be considered an element, so something, an object of the web page, if you will. So if we click the object of the web page, this will show this text that we made, that's in the paragraph tag. And so if we click it again, it will hide it back away from the web page. So now you can see how this particular thing is used. So with this summary tag, we are labeling this content essentially, which we have here. And once we click this this element here, this object of this web page, we will now show the contents of this details tag here. All right, so as another reference of what this can do, I will use some pre-written code here that I have down here. All right, so we'll just grab this, copy and paste this right here. Did I do that right? Details. Something looks funny. Something looks funny. Hold your horses for a second here. I didn't cut and paste this right. Okay, so put this here. All right, and I'll have some code pasted here. So if you're wondering what this is, don't worry. I'll explain what it does. This is CSS code, so don't worry. You don't have to know what this does. I'll let you know what's doing for me. So this piece of code here is helping me adjust an image that I've put here, making it smaller, just for the sake of better demonstration of what's going on. All right. So again, this is just making this image here smaller. So I'll save right now and show you how the browser would present what we've written here. All right, so now we have two elements, right? We have this this element labeled with text, right? When we click it, it will show the text, the content of this details tag we have here. All right, we'll click it again to hide it away. And you'll notice that actually clicking it will push down the other element down. And once we click again, it'll pull the element back up to where it was before. So now we'll click the image here, and then we're showing an image here. All right, and this is actually it. Basically, you can put any content within the details tag. So I showed you we can do it with text, we can do it with an image, just about anything, if not everything. One thing I forgot to mention is that these detailed elements, they can be open by default if you choose to do so. So if we put a opened attribute, and this attribute will not have an equal sign with quotations, it'll just be open. We save, and then we refresh the page, it will be open by default if you choose so. And that's it for this video. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't quite like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. And if you have any detailed thoughts you want to give me, you can leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And if you think I've earned it, there will be a subscribe button somewhere around this YouTube page here. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my new videos. That's it for now. I thank you guys for watching. I see you guys next time.